Hi everyone, it's Carrie here for my coaching tip for the week. And this video, I'm going to be talking about a theme that I've noticed with my son this week, a theme I've noticed with myself, and a theme that I've noticed is there with some other women that I've been talking to. And it's around a saying that I have used for the last couple of years, and it is progress over perfection. So for those of you who are perfectionists, I'm sure you understand this one. And I actually don't want to claim that it's mine. I first heard it from Marie Forleo, who's a coach and a public figure, and she runs something called B School, which is very famous, and I did it a few years ago. And it's around learning, and I think it was around online business, definitely being an entrepreneur. And she's a master at just jumping in and doing things. And she taught us progress over perfection. So this week, I've noticed that I've used it a lot with my son, who is online learning right now at home and a little overwhelmed with all the homework coming at him. And even though he was thinking that might be a good format for him to learn, he's realizing that's probably not the best one, and it's pretty hard to keep up for him. So in helping him try and get some of his assignments done, I've noticed that he gets stuck. He gets stuck in that little hamster wheel thinking that it has to be perfect and he's got to have exactly the right thing. And then it stops him from moving forward and it stops him from handing it in. And I can't tell you the number of times that I've said this week, progress over perfection, dude. Just get her done. Get her done, hand it in, move on to the next thing. So then I've noticed that with myself. And I've noticed that I can easily get stuck in perfectionism. And I've talked about it before. I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely that kid that thought, I watched my older siblings do everything well, not everything wrong, but whatever they did wrong, I didn't wanna do. So I tried to do it perfectly and be the perfect daughter and be the perfect child, which is ridiculous because no one is. And so this phrase has really helped me over the last couple of weeks, as I can easily also get into my own overthinking, overanalyzing, and worrying that I'm not doing things good enough and perfectly. So I keep holding on to that progress over perfection. It's really just about baby stepping your way forward and doing things before you're ready and before they're perfect, because they never will be. And if you wait for them to be perfect, years can go by. Trust me, years can go by. I've talked about doing these videos. I wanted to do them for easily a couple of years. And every time I thought about them, I thought, I'm not ready. I don't have the tools. I don't know how to do them. Blah, 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 blah. I had 1,000,001 excuses. And then what I learned in my video challenge was a version of progress over perfection, which was connection over perfection. And so really it is just putting yourself out there. It is just taking a step, and sometimes falling flat on our faces. Sometimes we do. We fail, but it's not really even failing because we're learning and we're growing. And I think that in order to get better at something, and in order to strengthen the muscle of whatever it is that you want to do, that the only way to do that is through the action piece. You have to take action. So therefore, progress over perfection. Let go of the perfection, get out of your own way, get out of your thoughts, get out of your own way, and just take one step forward, one easy baby step forward. So let me ask you, where in your life is there something that you really want to do that's been a burning desire, or even if it's just something new, a new idea, and you're petrified, you're scared, you're overwhelmed, or you think you're not good enough, or you're not perfect enough? Where can you move forward through that fear and just take one step and do progress over perfection? I promise you, once you start, there's no stopping you. It just opens it up. And even if it does stop you, okay, you're not meant to do it. So that's also good learning. Progress over perfection, okay? Baby step this week. Love for you to comment. Let me know if there's something that you've been desiring and you haven't been able to move forward, and if you make some progress and you move forward on it. Yay you. I look forward to talking to you next week. And if you like this video, scroll down, let me know, share it, and subscribe. That would be awesome. Love you guys. We'll see you next week. Bye.